Okay, let me ask a question to ourselves. Why we need Bhagavad Gita? Everyone is telling that read Bhagavad Gita, read Bhagavad Gita. It will give you all the answers. But do you have questions? You know, Bhagavad Gita invoked by Lord Krishna when Arjun was standing in a battlefield and he is about to start his life's biggest war for himself as well as for the society. If we are Arjun, then Gita is for us. If we have questions of same like Arjun, with the same intense desire to know what is right for us, when we are in dilemma, then Gita is for us. The answers, it is not for everyone. Gita is for the person who want to do something big in the life, who is the curious person, who is the skilled person, who is thinking for the betterment and the purpose of his life. You know, who want to be the leader in the society and who want to establish the dharma, the rightest path, the vivek. You know, अर्जुन तीक्ष्ण बुद्धि और विचलित मन के प्रतीक हैं, जिसे क्या क्या करना है वो सब आता है, कब क्या करना है और उससे भी ऊपर कब क्या नहीं करना है ये नहीं पता। यही विवेक है कि कब क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं। ये गाइडेंस यदि हमें अपने आत्मा से मिलने लगे तो क्या हम आत्मविश्वास को प्राप्त नहीं होंगे? और वह विवेक, वह आत्मविश्वास जब डोलने लगे, वो भी तब जब हम अपने सालों की तपस्या करके, मेहनत करके, सब तैयारी करके अंतिम पड़ाव पर खड़े हैं और द्वंद्व में फंस गए हैं कि ये द्वंद्व क्या, कि ये एग्जाम देना चाहिए या नहीं, इस लड़के से या इस लड़की से शादी करनी चाहिए या नहीं, ये जॉब स्विच करनी है या नहीं, धर्म और अध्यात्म में क्या अंतर है, जीवन का अंतिम लक्ष्य क्या है, और मैं अपना कर्म करते हुए, अपनी गृहस्थी में रहते हुए अपनी आध्यात्मिक यात्रा कैसे जारी रखूं? If such doubts are around you, then Gita will make you independent. You don't need to ask these questions to anyone. The answers will come from within you, and it will be the perfect answer because you know yourself the best. You know, when the Bhagavad Gita came into flow, when Arjun surrendered himself to Lord Krishna for help, do we face such kind of situation at a moment of time in our life that we are going to appear for the most important exam or event in our life, and we had done best coaching, we had prepared years together, and now the exam or event is in front of us and we have kept all the skills aside and became depressed? Oh no. And that exam or event is like life changing for you and your family as well as your society, and you are not able to stand yourself, तब प्रार्थना घटित होती है. The prayers happened then, that someone please come and hold my hands, someone please come and clear my doubts, someone please come and overcome me from my emotions. Can someone come and give me a light in dark depression? Then Gita is for you. Then pick up the Gita. Then Gita will give you the answers. And the answers were not by an ordinary teacher. It is Krishnam Vande Jagat Guru. These answers are from Lord Krishna, the Purna Avatar, the Supreme Power. Then Gita is for you, my dear. I, Dr. Sheetal Joshi, inviting you for such a beautiful program which is being organized on Gita Jayanti, that is Mokshada Ekadashi, on 8th of December. You will find all the details of this program in the description box below. And maybe it will prove a seed of Gita in you. If you have a seed, you can nurture it with the water of daily self-study, the Swadhyay. And you can have a fruit of success, self-realization and connect with the Supreme. श्रीमद् भगवद गीता का अंतिम श्लोक ये कहता है, यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर विजयो भूतिर ध्रुवा नीतिर मतिर मम। जहाँ योगेश्वर भगवान श्री कृष्ण है और जहाँ गांडीव धनुषधारी अर्जुन है, वहीं पर श्री, विजय, विभूति और अचल नीति है, ऐसा मेरा मत है। आप सभी को श्रीमद् भगवत गीता का यथार्थ अनुभव हो, आपके जीवन में गीता उतरे, ऐसी श्री कृष्ण प्रभु के चरणों में शुद्ध प्रार्थना है। इसी के साथ थैंक यू वेरी मच। धन्यवाद।